Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Zoho software developer for overall passed before 2019 to 2022 batch. So they are asking experience 0 to 3, work location Chennai, written test 9th July and 16th July. Candidate passed out in 2023 are not eligible. So before 2022 you can apply. Any branch you can apply and any pass out year you can apply. So no problem in that. Candidate information name, mobile number, email, college name, department which is BA and year of passing from 2015 they are mentioning, and total year of experience is relating 15 years is current employer, CTC, what is your CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location, written test from where 19th or 16th, browse your resume and submit. After you submit it, you may get a where you should come to office, whether you are to Chennai or Bangalore, any location, it's your wish. So if you have any doubt in filling this form, you just comment me in the comment section. I will help you. Forward to your friends from 2015 onwards, they are starting. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.